Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about SAP ABAP constants and literals. So literals are unnamed data objects that you create within the source code of a program, and they are fully defined by their values. You can't change the value of a literal. Constants are named data objects created statically by using declarative statements. A constant is declared by assigning a value to it that is stored in the program's memory area. The value assigned to a constant can't be changed during the execution of the program. These fixed values can also be considered as literals. There are two types of literals, numeric and character. Numeric literals are sequences of digits which can have a prefixed sign. In number literals, there are no decimal separators and no notation with mantissa and exponent. Character literals are sequences of alphanumeric characters in the source code of an ABAP program enclosed in single quotation marks. Character literals enclosed in quotation marks have the predefined ABAP type C and are described as text field literals. Literals enclosed in backquotes have the ABAP type string and are described as string literals. The field length is defined by the number of characters. In the text field literals, trailing blanks are ignored, but in string literals, they are taken into account. When we try to change the value of the constant, a syntax or runtime error may occur. Constants that you declare in the declaration part of a class or an interface belong to the static attributes of that class or interface. Constant statements. We can declare the named data objects with the help of constant statement. Constant type value val. Constant statement is similar to the data statement. F specifies a name for the constant. Type represents a constant which inherits the same technical attributes as the existing data type, and value val assigns an initial value to the declared constant name. We should use the value clause in the constant statement. The clause value is used to assign an initial value to the constant during its declaration. We have three types of constants, such as elementary, complex, and reference constants. Report YR SCP-12 constants for type P, decimals for value 1.2356. And here the output is the value of POR is 1.2356. Here it refers to an elementary data type also known as elementary constant. In the above code, employee is a complex constant that is composed of name, organization, and place fields. So the statement declares a constant reference. Constant's null pointer type to object value is initial. We can use constant reference in comparison, or we may pass it on to procedures. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP. And we'll be discussing more on SAP ABAP in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.